Here is a 5.3 LS crankshaft. It's got a little bit of groove in it. Not much. Doesn't feel too bad. But I'm going to hit it with some 1000 grit anyway. And all I did was just cut it to size. Like that. And I'm going to wrap it around like that. Tie some string to it. I've seen people do this, so hopefully it works. And then we're going to go like this. I should probably put some sauce on there. Let's do one of these. But I gotta, looks like I gotta get the, oh, there we go. There we go. Should probably sauce it up a little bit. Make it a little easier. I'm gonna spray some sauce on there. See if that does it. If it helps spin a little easier. See if that works. Just gonna wrap it around. Get this as tight as I can. And then take the string. Go around with it. See how this works. Okay. Well, that's not spinning. So, what I gotta do, I think, is cut this sandpaper a little thinner. I think it's rubbing on the sides. All right, I just trimmed a little off the edge of the sandpaper, and now it seems to work. But it's still kind of. Let me try it this way. There. So I'm just going to do this to all of these. So let's get tangled up. Let's see if I can get that groove out of there. See how that looks. Use my paper towel. Honestly, that looks better already. I'll show you. That's crazy how much better that looks. Check this out. Okay, I only did that for that little bit of time. That's how that looks. I mean, they're not that bad. I just figured I'd clean them up before I put bearings back on. So, that's pretty good. I'll hit it a little bit more and then I'll hit the rest of them. Trying to make sure there's no dirt on there. I don't want to put any more scratches in there than there already are. That looks pretty good. This thing didn't have very many miles on it, I don't think. I was told it was a 100,000 mile engine, and by the wear, it kind of looks that way. Because unless they just change the oil a lot. I know there was a cam bearing failure, that's why the engine was junked in the first place, but it really didn't do much damage. I mean, because this looks beautiful. All right, I think that's gonna do. I mean, for what I'm gonna use it for. Kind of hard to focus on that. There. I think that'll work just fine.